Yes, I'm here again to talk to you about ChatGPT. I'm talking to you about artificial intelligence. The reason why, because it's relevant to today's market. Things have changed, folks. We got to get on the bandwagon. And a couple days ago, I announced a webinar for DFYPrompt, which launched, and it comes to an end this Sunday, April 16th. So we still have some days to figure it out and decide whether or not we want to get this product. So my biggest thing is you got to stop buying courses and prompts to learn how to use ChatGPT. This is a new web app that instantly gives you ChatGPT superpowers by writing all of your prompts for you. So you can take full advantage of this powerful AI technology without spending hours learning how to write prompts yourself or buying useless Excel sheets of pre-written prompt packages. So at any time during this review of DFYPrompt, you can click the link in the description below this video. It will take you directly to this page here, my bonus page. And I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Joshua Zamora, and he's going to give you a preview of what this is all about. And then we're going to come back, I'll recap, and then I'll show you all the prices and upsells, one-time offers, as well as a special bundle bonus option, and all of the amazing bonuses that I have for you, as well as Joshua's bonuses.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here, and before we go any further, I want to first tell you to please stop buying courses and prompts to learn how to use ChatGPT. Because on this page, you're going to see our brand new web app that instantly gives you ChatGPT superpowers by writing all of your prompts for you, so that you can take full advantage of this powerful AI technology without spending hours learning how to write prompts yourself or buying useless Excel sheets of prompt packages. Our web app instantly turns you into a ChatGPT expert in under 2 minutes by following 3 simple steps. In step number 1, you just install and activate our Chrome extension app. You can literally do this in under 2 minutes, and it's like the scene from the Matrix when Neo gets plugged into the training machine and instantly has all kinds of knowledge uploaded to his brain. Step number 2 is to open ChatGPT and prepare to witness awesomeness. And step 3 is to let our app write all of your prompts for you for all your marketing and business needs. And the best part is that from the moment you completed steps 1 and 2, only about 3 to 4 minutes have passed, literally. And here in step 3, you are now an instant ChatGPT expert, just like Neo when they loaded the Jujutsu disc into his brain. You are now equipped with all the done for you prompts you need to have any kind of content written for you. Because here's the cold hard truth, ChatGPT is extremely powerful, but it also has a steep learning curve. There, I said it. I said what most marketers will not tell you. ChatGPT has a steep learning curve. The technology is undoubtedly powerful, but the average person does not possess the skills to use it to its true potential. Could anyone quickly use it to write a funny story to impress your friends? Yes, of course. Could anyone quickly use it to get an answer to an extremely complicated question? Yes, of course. Could anyone quickly use it to write lyrics to a cool song that you can record using an AI voice? Yes, of course. But what about using it to write you content that actually puts money in your pocket? What about using it to actually grow your business? What about using it to grow your clients' businesses? What about using it to get more traffic, leads, and sales? That is when things really get complicated. That's when real skills are needed to harness the true power of ChatGPT. But it should not be that way, right? What's the point of having access to such a powerful artificially intelligent technology if it takes you hours upon hours to learn how to use it effectively? You should not have to buy several training programs only to still be left confused on how to use it. You should not have to buy a ton of prompt packages from vendors who just paid someone on Fiverr to write a bunch of simple prompts that a 5-year-old could write. A tool as powerful as ChatGPT should be easy to use for everyone. And that's exactly what we've done with our app. Introducing Done For You Prompt. Done For You Prompt is the first web app to truly level the playing field for harnessing the power of ChatGPT. While everyone else is trying to teach you how to use ChatGPT, we built an app that automates it. We've created the only web app that truly works alongside ChatGPT to ensure that you can use it to actually make more money without any of the learning headaches. With that being said, it's best to show you instead of telling you, right? So go ahead and check out the demo video posted below and see how our app supercharges ChatGPT for you. And once you're done doing that, make sure you take advantage of this limited time charter members discount. We're running a huge special right now, plus including some very limited time bonuses. And of course, we also have a 60-day money back guarantee. Yup, we're so confident in how powerful and how much value Done For You Prompt can provide to your business that we're willing to put our money where our mouth is. That's why we are doing a 60-day money back guarantee. Just show us that you put Done For You Prompt into action in your business, and if it doesn't simplify ChatGPT for you, we will, without hesitation, give you your money back. Hit the discount button below.
So Joshua definitely did a really great job at outlining everything about DFYPrompt. Just to summarize, you can turn into a ChatGPT expert in under 2 minutes by following 3 simple steps. Step number 1, install and activate the Done For You Prompt Chrome extension app. Step number 2, open the ChatGPT playground and prepare to witness awesomeness. Step 3, let their app write all of your prompts for you for all your needs. Here are the prices and upsells. For the front end that we described to you, DFYPrompt Agency Pro, $37.97. DFYPrompt Personal Lite, $28.55. There's a coupon code to use at the checkout for $5 off. The prices are going up through the end of this launch. So be mindful of that, but also be mindful of the coupons that you get when you decide to purchase DFYPrompt. Here are the one-time offers. 1, DFYPrompt Agency, and there's a link there to check it out in more detail. 2, DFYPrompt Agency Advanced. 3, DFYPrompt White Label. 4, DFYPrompt plus Studio Agency. This adds up to quite a bit, and if you're not interested in getting any of those, don't worry. You've got a good deal with the front end. But if you're interested in getting any of the one-time offers, you might want to consider the exclusive bundle package. And if you're still not sure, I put a link to the complete webinar replay right here. So all you have to do is click that. You can watch the webinar replay because you can get the entire bundle, all of this, for just $2.97. And if you're lucky, and if you comment in my video, in the comments below, or you send me an email, you might even get another coupon for an even deeper discount on the bundle. No promises, but you got to reach out to me. These are the key benefits you may be interested in getting for this front end. Unlimited usage of all 10 built-in Done For You prompt templates. Access to all built-in categories. Here are the bonuses for this particular front end offer of DFYPrompt. Massive double the profits bonus. 15 additional DFY prompts unlocked. Bonus massive double the categories bonus. 3 additional categories unlocked, and then agency license to use for clients. All of this is covered by a no questions asked 60-day money back guarantee. So again, to get to this bonus page here, click the link in the description below this video. It will take you directly here. And now before I go to the bonuses, I'm going to tease you a little bit. I want to take you over to what the dashboard looks like when you decide to pick up DFYPrompt. So here is inside the members area. Joshua is here to give you a welcome message and a link to download the Chrome extension. So this is a Chrome software product and gives you a DFYPrompt license key for that Chrome extension. Now this is just a review access. This is not anything that I've purchased personally yet, but I did get review access because I am a valued affiliate of JB Zoo, and so I get certain privileges to be able to access the kind of information, which I think is great, because I wouldn't even be promoting this if I didn't have that. So there's the white label access. He's got all of the training tutorials. He also has a list of frequently asked questions and answers, a direct link to his 24/7 support. You also, inside of the members area, you'll get access to his bonuses, which I'll show you in a little bit, and then any of the other products and one-time offers that you didn't take advantage of. If you just got the front end, this is what you would get right here. And when you click the link in the description below this video, take you directly here, and you click on any of these buttons like this one. Click here to secure your copy and bonuses. It'll take you directly to the sales page. And he also has an opportunity for you to see his case study, which is how he breaks down $22,000 in affiliate campaigns that only required 30 minutes of work. So this is actually a really cool thing that you can take a look at with your inquiry on whether or not you want to get this. It'll give you some more things to think about and exciting stuff that you can see has actually happened inside of DFYPrompt, which has helped him and many others as well. Alright, now we go into the bonuses. Here are my bonuses. Bonus number 1, a ChatGPT full masterclass. Bonus number 2, getting started with chatbots. Bonus number 3 is Facebook traffic hacks. Bonus number 4 is the no list secret. This means that you can learn how to build a list if you don't have a list already. And then lastly, but most importantly, of course, the vendor bonuses. Joshua's got some great bonuses, so let's look at those right now. Inside of the front end, if you only buy the front end, you only purchase the front end, you get access to all these bonuses. No matter what you decide to buy, you get these as well as mine. Bonus number 1 is free access to double the built-in DFY prompts. Bonus number 2 is free access to double the built-in categories. Bonus number 3 is free access to their agency license. And then that seems to be it. So he's got really good 3 bonuses. Those are really great bonuses. So again, to get to this sales page, click the link in the description below this video, take you to my bonus page. And then you have your option. Here are the prices for the front end. But again, I gave you a link to the bundle if you decide you want to get into looking at the webinar before you decide to get the front end. All you have to do is click this link right here, and you can watch the webinar before you make your final decision, because I want you to be informed. I don't want you to walk away feeling like you missed out on something. And this is a JVZoo product. So when you purchase, you'll get an email from JVZoo. If you don't already have an account, you'll sign up for an account, and you will get to a page that looks like this. And I'm very sorry this is so tiny, but it's not that difficult. It's pretty intuitive. But the green button means that you have access to your product with the green button. And then there's going to be a special blue button below that that's going to allow you to access my bonuses. Thank you so much for taking the time to check out my review of DFYPrompt. If you like what you see here and you want to see more of my digital information, product, and software reviews, please click the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified of all of my upcoming reviews and trainings. Thank you so much, and make it a great day.